Yo, Tokyo hits different. Everything moving, everything flowing. We are in the city. Let's take a walk. Oh, I see you there, my fellow black man. Intro, please. Yeah, yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Making my way downtown, walking fast as a young nigga in Tokyo. Da 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 da. No, I'm just playing. So I didn't have a destination this time, and I'm just wandering around. It's funny how Tokyo makes you move and pulls you forward, walking down the street, catching the flow of everything. Now, if you don't walk on the right side of the street, you may catch a quick stampede because if you can see, everyone's walking up on the left side, and people that are walking down the street are on the right. So if you mess around and not looking, because I know us in the US, we're not used to that, you're going to end up running into like 20 people because you're walking on the wrong side of the sidewalk. Isn't that crazy? But hey, that's their culture, so it was something I had to get used to, but it was pretty cool after I got used to it. I fell right in. Oh my goodness. And then you start seeing these things, Family Marts. Family Marts and 7-Elevens are like care package centers. You see one of those, you know you're good. But yeah, man, this is a bustling city. Shibuya City, man. It's pretty cool, man. I tried a bunch of these shops out here. Got food at a lot of these spots. It was pretty good. Couple of malls that we go in, a couple of department stores with like 6 floors to them. It was crazy. But they had everything I was looking for, which was very surprising. It was like a Walmart or something like that. I think it was like Don Quios or something like that with the big one, with the blue pig one. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's the subway right there. Taking quick pics too. Because look all the people. It is bustling. It's like chaos, but it's organized. Everyone's going somewhere. And most of everyone knows where they're going. This is about to be the Shibuya crossing area. Look at everybody waiting. And apparently I like to spin. Oh, that's another black man. Well, we are out here in Japan. That's what I like too. I saw a lot of type of people in Japan. It was pretty cool. The streets at night, the streets are so quiet and so safe. You think that they might be ghosts out there just because it's so quiet. I'm totally not used to that. Oh, look at everybody scrambling. Shibuya scramble, man. And then further that way are more train stations. Look at all the people from everywhere. But it was good vibes for me. A little isolating, but not bad vibes. More like focused vibes. So here, I'm at the more the residential side of Shibuya. Oh, those vending machines! You got to try the vending machine. They have things you haven't thought of yet. But yeah, this is the residential side, and this is like me coming from my Airbnb, which was a little bit out of the busy part of the city. lot of buses, a lot of trains. It was pretty cool. It's not bad to walk at all because it's like such a peaceful walk that you don't mind walking. Like you don't see homeless people in the street, people begging for change. It's pretty cool. It's pretty organized. It's like maybe one of the most organized societies I've seen before. And like if you lose something, they turn it in. Like if you had like a Rolex and you lost it somewhere on the train or something, somebody would turn that in and you could get that back. Isn't that crazy? Just cultures in different places are so interesting. Hey, look, I haven't come across a lot of anyone, and I'm just strolling along. Great vibes in Tokyo. And if you walk around, you start seeing like little spots. So I shot a music video when I was out here too. You may get an episode with that in it. You might get that. You might have to ask, but you might get that. But yeah, man, I'm just vibing. I know you see me in that Ivy Park jacket, you know what I'm saying? Killing them. That Adidas. Yeah. Dress nice and neat, you know what I'm saying? We are in Tokyo for the winter. And before I got there, a week before I got there, it was snowing. So I got there, it was still cold, but it wasn't snowing, so that was great. Because you know, I do not need wet shoes. I don't need cold wet shoes, though, please, thank you. And you know what else I noticed? There were, at night, when I was walking home, there were a lot of women walking home by themselves. That is so safe. I have never seen that before. Girls walking home at night by themselves? Where do they do that at? Tokyo. So I saw this torii gate at this park. I was like, yo, this looks super interesting. So I just wanted to check it out real quick before I got to the city. You know what I'm saying? You see something like that, it just calms your mind. Just brings peace. I really felt like I was in an anime the whole time I was in Japan. It was so funny. I was seeing so many things and buildings from anime, especially being in Shibuya. Or they say like Shibuya. Shibuya. Yeah, man, it was a good trip. Good trip. Y'all gotta get out, man. Y'all gotta check this out. Stay tuned for the next episode.